Okay, it's going. Smile. Fuck all of you! Get the fuck away from me! It's like still buzzing.
Right? It's like still buzzing or something.
It's not buzzing! There's ants crawling inside.
Really?
These are hatching.
Yeah, no, seriously, there's like a bunch of ants crawling inside of it. That's why I wanted someone to eat it. You see? There's like an ant in there.
Mmm.
That's gross. It's having fresh.
I know, it's been dead for a while. I lied to you guys. I just wanted someone to eat it.
Man, it was blurry the whole time.